So if you've ever wondered what cable is responsible for the transfer of pictures from your CPU to your monitor, this is the cable. It's very important. This cable is responsible for that, the video display cable. So, and once it's bad, the first and second sign you will see is, first, the screen becomes less sharper. It's not as sharp as you initially saw it or used to use it. Then the second one, it becomes duplicated, like the items of the screen becomes duplicated. Now, and that state is not good for the eye. So it's better off you go replace this cable. Not expensive, a very kind of affordable and cheap cable. So once you see it like that, you just call your IT guy to help you replace this cable. Very easy, and it makes your work neat, it makes your screen sharper for your usage. I am a person Paul, and thank you for watching. If you find value in the video, you can as well like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you.